Hi everyone, today's recipe is tamale pie. Let's get started. On medium heat, add 1 pound of ground beef to a skillet and cook until most of the pink is gone. We're using a very lean meat, so we added about a tablespoon of oil. Once done, move meat to one side of the skillet to make room for 1 medium diced onion. Make sure to remove excess liquid and fat. Leave just enough to cook your onions. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you can mix the onion in with the meat. Add 2 cloves of diced garlic and stir in slowly. Cook for about another minute. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add 2 teaspoons ground cumin and 1 teaspoon chili powder, then mix. Once combined, add a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, or Rotel. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of crushed tomatoes. Mix in 1 cup of corn and 1 cup of drained black beans. Reduce heat to low and simmer for about 15 minutes or until desired consistency is reached. Make sure to stir occasionally. This is exactly how we want it to look, where most of the liquid has evaporated. Go ahead and remove from heat and grab a 9x13 baking dish. Lightly spray the bottom and the sides. Transfer the meat mixture to the baking dish and spread evenly. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of Masa harina with 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, pour in 1/2 cup or 1 stick of melted butter. Mix until masa is well combined with the butter and starts to look like wet sand. You may have to use your hands for this step. Mix in 2 cups of chicken broth, about 1/4 cup at a time. We added an additional 2 tablespoons of water. You want your masa to be the consistency of a thick pancake batter. Here we're adding a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 tablespoon of green chilies or hatch peppers. Make sure to mix well. Add desired amount of cheese over the meat mixture. Give your masa one last stir and you are ready to top the tamale pie. Carefully spread as evenly as possible, bringing the mixture to the edges of your baking dish. Top with pepper and a little more cheese and you are ready to bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven and allow to cool before serving. Now for the taste test.
Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It's really, really delicious.
We hope you liked the video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!